Congratulations, quick reader. You made it to the final lesson. You made it. You're somebody who finishes what they start. And that, I know you're successful, because how you do anything is how you do everything. And you commit. You committed to something and you followed through. So really feel that, because a lot of people tend to beat themselves up when they do something wrong than what their expectations are.
How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Z-Man here. Shout out to my fellow SAPers, Denisonians, my beta brothers, and all your lovely people who came across this video. So this is my third week so far at SAP, and my experience has been amazing. For this past week, my highlight is definitely flying over from Shanghai to Changsha to participate in a meeting called QBR. Stands for Quarterly Business Review. What it is basically a meeting where you do a review of what happened in the last quarter. Have we reached our goal? What is my pipeline? What kind of business problems are they experiencing? How can SAP's products help to solve their business problems or help to expand their business model, to help grow their revenue, to help cut their costs? For the first half of the day, we had a regular meeting. We talked about data twins. I have no clue what that is. Still have no clue after hearing the presentation, but right, that's not something that I have to worry about now, luckily, and I have time to really absorb and improve my understanding of the entire SAP ecosystems and how that applies to specific business problems. Right, I think like one thing about like being the AAE Academy Account Executive is that we have the privilege to really take our time to soak in the SAP culture, to understand products, to really like dive deep into our industry, understanding the business problems, and then making the connection, right? Building the bridge between business problems and products, and understanding the up and coming, the new wave of technology, new generation of technology. You know, put all those information, knowledge, strategy into a very good presentation and gave it to our customer. Second half of the day was really interesting. We had a design thinking workshop. It was led by my leader, by my sales manager, Andy Liu. Andy Liu has close to 20 years of sales experience in SAP. I just feel really lucky to be on Andy's team because he's so willing to share. He is relentlessly motivated. He's on my ass. I can definitely say that, but I'm so appreciative of that, right? You gotta have somebody who's willing to drive you. My lunch day with this guy.
I made a boss in the last night, but counting money's always my favorite pastime, especially with a past like mine. Shots in the household, never had a hand at home, even when I was homeless and lived staring cold by the native.
Peace out. Look forward to seeing you next week.